Coca pods are powerful, but sometimes it's buggy. So in this video, I will guide you few commands and few bugs fixes for Coca pods. So let's get started the video. So first of all, if pod install is stuck, you have to use this command to clean the cache. After that, if pods were not found, you have to deintegrate and reinstall the pod using this command. After that, if repo update is failing, simply run this command to solve this issue. So if you have vim version error, reinstall the Coca pod using this command. And then there are a lot of other commands that is used to solve the Coca pod error on the iOS. I will paste those in the description. You can copy from that, or I will try to add a link where all the error will be listed with their usage. Hopefully you like our video. See you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.